What's up guys? Today we're lowering my Beetle.
All right, so like she said, we are going to be throwing some H&R Springs on this Beetle. It is a 2012 Beetle. This has a 07K in it, so we can actually do some fun stuff. But Dad said we can't mod the car. So we're modding the car. Let's get into it. So I decided to start on the rear because the rear just takes 2 seconds. It's 2 bolts. It's literally 1 bolt for the shock here, 1 bolt for the shock on the other side. You got to make sure you support it with the jack so that when it drops down, it doesn't spring it down. But once you're done with that, you literally just pull the springs out, throw the bushings on it, and then put it back in. All right, so to do this, you gotta take off there's these little metal clips here that just kind of pop out. Lifts up, allows you to access the top there. And then on this side, same deal. And now I can access the bolts there. All right, so basically, you're gonna remove the axle bolt and kind of pop the axle out, and you're gonna remove the 3 ball joint bolts under here, 16 mil or 18 mil here, and a triple square on this side here. I'm gonna remove this bracket so that this can kind of swing a little bit, and remove the sway bar end link. So, and then once I'm done with that, I can start to pop this down using a spreader tool and all that. Let's see how low this thing is. It needs to drive around and settle, but it's actually not that low. Yes. It really isn't that low, honestly. It'll look good. Okay. There we go. Yes. All right, guys, so yes, that is lowering the Beetle on some H&R Springs. I know it's a little different from what we've been posting and stuff like that, but you know what? I figured might as well add some other things that we do. Grant you, these are our cars and stuff like that. So it's just one of those things where I figured we'd start showing more content of things like this, like, you know, what are we doing to a car, one of our cars or something, and have fun with it. This reminds me of back when I used to lower cars just for fun. I don't know, for no reason at all, just because it was fun. Be sure to like us on all the socials, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that. There was a little bit of a hiccup here because one of the strut mount bolts actually was rusted into the nut on the bottom, so we couldn't get that out, so we had to grind it off. No, we did not show that. At one point in time, my phone died, so didn't get any of the recording from that, but it's fine. Be sure to hop on the site. You can actually find these H&R Springs on the site as well. And if you like this video and would like to subscribe for more mediocre content such as this, please do, and take care.